here's what we have been doing in the last several years and has been working on. It's a cloud-based platform. So now the cloud-based platform is a data center for you connect your data and sharing your data. And also it's a research base for the people from different places can collaborate and on the data and on the project. And also as a development center for data case studies and also a training center and to deploy the research results and data. So here's the current interface. And the current interface, this provides integrated platform for research and teaching. So we can have the three primary folders. One is for the data folders. So data folders is file folder. You can have the public folder, personal folder, and a download folder. So you can share your data in the public folders. So all the students or colleges can and share the data. Then in personal folders, you can upload your personal data and for your personal use. There's a tour. The tour, we have all the different kinds of software installed on the cloud. So you don't have to, you can run the software exactly the same as on your desktop, but you don't have to install that one on your desktop. Another one is a data link, the sharing center. So we are working with the different the data vendors to have the direct access to their database on the cloud. So there are some primary features, data available only on the cloud. So you cannot download the data and until it is proved, but you can download the results from your research analysts. And a tour available on the cloud, and all the computation also on the cloud. So you don't have to worry about how many G memory I have. So if I can run the software or run the computation, because it's run on the cloud, and there are no maintenance required for end users. So we have been working with different data vendors and software and also research the centers for this data lab. So this data app is a joint project with Harvard University and also Wuhan University in China. So we are working with the different research centers teams and to try to build a kind of workflow to integrate the data and software and also to replicate some research papers and workflows in the research papers. So that's kind of sample how to as you build a workflow, you don't have to use a different software. So all from the data process, data analysis, and data visualization are in the same software. So now there's a many different kind of the choice of this kind of tool called workflow-based software tools. And with that kind of tools, your project can be copied and passed and transferred and from one person to another person. So now not only read the paper, we like to execute the data process and in the paper, behind the paper.